Place aluminum foil in the sink trap, and you'll be surprised by the result. After I discovered this, I never had this problem in my house again. If you thought aluminum foil was only used in the kitchen, know that you're mistaken. Its uses go far beyond that, and that's exactly what I'm going to show you in this video. But before I tell you what putting aluminum foil in the sink trap is for, I'll show you other aluminum foil tricks that you probably didn't know, and that can also be very useful. Iron clothes faster. To iron both sides of the clothes at the same time, use aluminum foil. Wrap the ironing board with aluminum foil, keeping the shiny side up. Then iron the piece of clothing as usual. The heat reflected by the foil will smooth out the opposite side to the one being ironed, making the process much faster. Move furniture around. If you place some small pieces of aluminum foil under the feet of the furniture, you can easily move them from one place to another. This process doesn't scratch the floor, and it also makes the piece slide much better. Protect the stove. This tip is quite old, but it doesn't hurt to remember. If you're too lazy to clean the stove every time you cook, simply line it with aluminum foil, leaving the burners uncovered. This way, it will always be protected from any splashes. Relieve joint pain. Aluminum foil has a great heating power, so it can help relieve joint and muscle pain. The body heat stays in contact with the skin for longer, and the aluminum foil helps retain this heat. And you can apply it to any area of the body that hurts, such as arms, legs, or knees, and it will provide results in many joints and muscles, even helping with healing. Seal plastic packaging. You can also use aluminum foil to completely seal plastic packages and bags. Just place a piece of aluminum foil on top of the package you want to seal. Then iron it, and you're done. In a few seconds, you'll have the package completely sealed. Now that you've learned other different tricks with aluminum foil, it's time to show you what putting it in the sink trap is for. As many know, the kitchen sink plumbing tends to accumulate a lot of grease and dirt. Every time we wash the dishes, this grease keeps accumulating until it reaches the point of clogging. However, with just this simple tip with aluminum foil, you'll prevent that from happening. Just wrap the entire sink trap with aluminum foil like this. With this, the aluminum foil will always keep the sink trap at a high temperature, preventing grease buildup. And that's not all. This process will also prevent bad odors, drying out of the trap, and possible leaks. All these benefits, and you don't even spend 5 minutes. So it's definitely worth trying at home. Now tell me which of these aluminum foil hacks you like the most, and which ones you didn't know. Thanks for watching, and I see you in the next video.